Welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you step-by-step how to copy a video link on the Instagram app for PC after the latest update. If you've been trying to figure this out and couldn't find where the option is hidden, don't worry. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly what to do. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Once the app is open, head to the video you want to copy the link from. This can be a video that pops up on your feed, one from an account you follow, or even something you find through the search bar. Take a moment to locate the exact video you want to share or save the link for. With the video open on your screen, your next step is to click on the three dots icon. You'll find this at the top right of the account's post, just above the video. This small button brings up several options, and it's where Instagram has tucked away the sharing and link copying features. After clicking on the three dots, you'll see a menu appear. From here, select the option that says Share To. This is the updated way Instagram now lets you send and copy links, and it works the same way on the PC app as it does on mobile. When you click on Share To, you'll be given different sharing choices. Look carefully and you'll notice the button that allows you to copy the link directly. Once you hit copy, the video's link is ready to paste anywhere you like. Whether you want to send it to a friend, add it to your notes, or share it on another platform, the copied link will take anyone straight to that specific Instagram video. And that's it. You've successfully copied a video link from the Instagram app on PC with just a few quick steps. It's simple once you know where to look, and now you can save and share videos more easily than ever.